that success, the 2025 edition grew even bigger with more than 13,000 runners proudly celebrating Pride across Manila, Davao, and of course here in Cebu, making it one of Run Rio's most vibrant and impactful nationwide events to date. Participants arrived in the most colorful costumes, drag performers brought excitement and life to the stage, and together, the streets were transformed into a vibrant sea of rainbow colors, and it's more than just a run. It became a powerful expression of pride, unity, diversity, and self-expression that left a lasting impression on everyone who took part.
Perfect. Thank you, Vince. But further building on the incredible success and momentum of the past 2 years, this year's Run Rio Pride Run is set to be even bigger, brighter, and more meaningful as it continues to unite communities across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. So it's its second year of doing the Pride Run, not only in Manila, but also in Cebu and Davao.
And actually, the Davao leg for Pride Run is happening this coming Sunday na, the first
This
leg.
Sunday na.
This Sunday. So, and on June 21, the Manila leg, and on June 28, the last Sunday of June, we'll be having the Cebu leg of the Run Rio Pride Run 2026.
Correct.
So, some details about the event. So, we have 5 categories: the 1K dog, 3K, 5K, 10K, and the brand new 16K. So, runners were clamoring talaga for a longer distance since the past 2 Pride runs were only until 10K. So, this year we decided to add the 10K category.
Even Cebu has a 16K.
Yes, even Cebu and
Wow.
Davao also has a 16K. So, we're very happy that we're putting it out there, and that we're able to paint more streets with the colors of the rainbow.
Yes. I'm so happy that that is now the push, no? Because we understand Filipinos in general are now more into running, and not just short distances, talagang longer and longer na yung training ay hindi na lang for 5 km, 10 km, but for marathons na talaga.
Actually, for both Davao and Cebu, I believe yung 16K yung pinakamaraming nagre-register. So,
Wow!
ayun talaga. So, we're very happy with that development. And ayun nga talaga yung running era of the Filipinos is here to stay.
That's true, and I'm so happy. Thank you, Run Rio, and our sponsors, SM Supermalls and Mogu Mogu, for making that happen for us. Oh, well, before we go on, we'll just tell you a little bit more about the reason why we're here today and why we're doing a Pride Run. And bakit ganun i-celebrate magid na to ang Pride every June, no? So for everyone listening sa inyong tanan din sa Cebu, so a Pride celebration and movement is an annual tradition that started in 1969 in the United States. So sa US siya nag-start, but it quickly spread throughout the world because of its the reason for it being, it advocates for inclusivity for the LGBTQIA+ community. So it was first of all a protest because it was a response to oppression, no? So in 1969, there was a group of individuals, LGBT individuals sa New York City that were unjustly oppressed sa Stonewall Inn, and they started to resist harassment, discrimination, and fear. It is a community that refused to stay silent, no? Because we are just only fighting for same equal rights. We're not demanding for special rights. It's something that all humans must have. And what the demand really is to have respect with people who have different sexual orientation, gender identity, and expression.
And actually, after, a year after that, the Stonewall Uprising, as people call it, 1 year later, the first Pride marches were held in New York, Los Angeles, and Chicago, honoring Stonewall and celebrating the strength of a community that chose to rise and stand up. And actually, 30 years after that, the 25th anniversary of Stonewall, the very first Pride March in Asia was held in the Philippines. And 30 years after that fact, the first Pride Run was held in the Philippines as well, the Run Rio Pride Run.
Now, di ba, grabe that inclusivity and celebration of diversity is important. That's why we're seeing the colors of the rainbow here. We're celebrating our diversity as human beings. And, in 2026, we understand na nagkakanya po kayo challenges ng LGBT sa Pilipinas. Pero what is important is we show up for them, for our LGBTQIA+ community, and even our allies, no? We those who are not LGBT but are supportive of LGBTQIA+ family and friends, they're very important because with your support, we will have a more harmonious community here in the Philippines. So we're very happy na we're doing this and celebrating it because it's not, Run Rio Pride Run is not just a celebration of the LGBTQIA+ community, but how far we've gone as a country and a constant reminder of how far we can still go. Malayo na.
Malayo pa.
Malayo pa.
Yes. So I hope you now all understand, at least a little bit, what Pride is all about and why we are here this afternoon and why we're hosting Pride Run in the first place. And now, to proceed with our program, let's introduce members of our panel this afternoon.
Yeah, so our panelists are from, obviously, kami ni Vince, but also we'd like to recognize the Assistant Mall Manager of SMC Side City, Mr. John Den Aranas. Thank you, sir, for being here. And Vince Manyoska, of course, my partner, a seasoned event manager of Run Rio for more than 3 years. He has successfully organized running events and marathons throughout the Philippines, including the Run Rio Pride Run since 2024. Proud member of the LGBTQIA+ community as well.
Thank you guys. And now, to introduce Thais formally, she's a communications manager and consultant based in Manila, a proud transgender woman. She's the chairperson of the Philippine Anti-Discrimination Alliance of Youth Leaders, or BANTAY, and was named an Equality Ambassador who champions LGBTQIA+ rights.
Okay. Okay, maayong hapon sa inyong tanan. Okay, sana nasabi ko siya ng tama. So, good afternoon everyone. So again, I'm Patricia Domingo. I'm the Country Marketing Division Manager for SAPAID Philippines. We are handling Mogu Mogu in the Philippines. So today, we actually are very honored and privileged to be part of this Agro Casino with Mogu Mogu. I'm thankful that it's your favorite drink. No, and aside from that, we have always been there to bring out fun. And amidst the stress, the things that is happening around us, we just need to chew. That's why we're there. So in line with the messaging of the Run Rio team, to really bring out the fun, to bring out equality, and also openness, not only with the gender, but with who you are as a person. So we are supportive of that. With Mogu Mogu. Actually, we just launched our newest campaign, Wanna Skip, You Gotta Chew. So Wanna Skip, You Gotta Chew is where we give the opportunity to the Mogu Mogu lovers that sense of skipping for a moment, because we all know there's no real life skip button, right? But in a moment, Mogu Mogu can make you feel that you can go through any awkwardness, any stress, no, as long as you just gotta chew. Okay, so similar to Run Rio, the event, it will take until 16 kilometers, diba? Sometimes when you're in the race, minsan you just want to give up, right? But you know, as Mogu Mogu, we just have to go through it. We just chew through it, no? So we want to support you guys that you can do it. No, and so with Mogu Mogu and in partnership with SM Super Mall, I think this is the better way to really bring out that message that in any adversity, especially now with what's happening, we can do it and we can chew it. Okay, so
Everyone, so on behalf of SMC Science City Cebu, it is our pleasure to welcome you to the official launch of Pride Run 2026. As we celebrate Pride Month, SMC, in partnership with Run Rio, proudly brings back Pride Run, a nationwide event that transforms fitness, movement, and community into a vibrant celebration of inclusivity, self-expression, empowerment, and meaningful experience. At SM, we believe our malls are more than just destinations. They are community spaces where everyone should feel welcome, respected, and valued. The Pride Run reflects the commitment by creating opportunities for people from all walks of life to connect, engage, and celebrate diversity in a positive and empowering environment. As we look forward to the race day June 28, we invite everyone to join us, not only to run and to stay active, but also to stand in solidarity with the LGBTQIA+ community and take part in a celebration that promotes respect, understanding, and acceptance. Together, let us continue moving forward toward a future that is more inclusive, compassionate, and welcoming for all. So happy Pride Month, and we look forward to seeing everyone at Pride Night 2026 here at the Most Love SM Seaside.
And again, everyone, so happy Pride. So for my message, let me repeat Coach Rio de la Cruz's message last May 14. So ito yung message niya nung media lunch in Manila noong May. So here it goes. As the very first major Pride running event in the Philippines, the Rodrigo Pride Run at this point is already an institution. An avenue for runners regardless of gender, sexual orientation, age, or skill level to gather in one place for a morning of infectious fun, electrifying energy, and supporting community. Since 2024, Pride Run has welcomed almost 20,000 runners across the country to celebrate the cause that remains to be relevant today. Since its beginning, the cause of Pride Run remains the same, a running event and recognize the LGBTQIA+ community and their fight for equality, tolerance, and acceptance. Yes, Pride Run is supposed to be fun. Pride Run is supposed to be energetic and loud, but underneath the smiles and laughter of each runner hides an unfortunate yet obvious truth that members of the LGBTQIA+ community remain as one of the most disenfranchised sectors of the society. This is why Pride Run was created in the first place, to provide a safe space for the community and its allies while championing the fact that queer people are deserving of respect, dignity, and most importantly, love. And once again to the most colorful running event of the year. And in these times of uncertainty, it's important to remember to smile. And with Pride Run, we make it our mission that you leave the venue with a smile. Thank you very much. So that was Coach Yu's message last May 14. And now for the next and last panelist, Ms. Dai.
Thank you so much, Vince. And yes, we're very grateful in Patay that you have always been our partners in terms of promoting equality and inclusion in sports, especially in running. Just to intro, that our organization, Patay, is a youth-oriented organization, LGBTQIA+ organization. Our main goal is to support and encourage gender transformative legislation in this country. So, marami kaming projects na pinupush namin yung mga ordinance na improves equality in the Philippines. So, I'm very happy to share that in Cebu, recently lang sa Cebu Inclusion Summit, your governor, Pam Barriquatro, actually signed an executive order to approve the use of a right to care card here in Cebu City. So congratulations, Cebu Province actually. Na imagine you now have a right to care card, which is it's an incredible piece of card that allows you to make decisions in cases of health concerns and emergencies para sa iyong partner, even if same-sex relationships kayo, no? So this started in QC, and then now 6 LGUs after, nasa Cebu na siya. So congratulations and thank you so much, Cebu.
200. Then the 1K dogs is extra pagbandanan. Plus the 5K, 1,400, and 5K. The 10K is 1,600, and the 6K is 1,800. Pero watch out soon kasi we're planning to have discount promos, specifically for Cebuanos to para kahit pa paano discount. And for the inclusions, so for everyone, upon registration, they will be getting the singlet, the race bib with the timing chip, and of course, ito special for Pride, and first time we're doing it is the scarf. So, ikat mo ba? So, maiigat mo siya. Ayan. So, may nakalagay na heart, para kasi na run with love, run with pride. And again, heart yung kasi namin this year, hence the heart. So, ayun. But, especially for the 1K dog, may extra pa na dog bandana. Para sa pets naman nila, para twingy-twingy sila. Pero makiklaim nila yon during race day na, once ma-check ng vets natin na fit yung dog to run the race. Then, after crossing the finish line, they will be receiving the medal nga na random color back ng pink, purple, or yung secret color. Then may loot bag then filled with products from our sponsors. Then for the 16K, may extra 16K finisher shirt. So ayun siya. So nakalagay dun sa likod ng 16K fabulous finisher. Since ayun talaga yung branding ng Reveals ng Pride Run since the start, na ang tawag namin sa mga finishers ay fabulous finishers. And also, we have first time din ng running yung Pride, and we also have the merch. We call it our Love Merch line. So we have the two shirts. Ito actually isa, the star shirt. Ito yung tawag nito, the star shirt, the black one. And the white one is called the heart. And actually, we also have a transparent rain umbrella na yung rainbow. Kumbaga, very Japanese vibe siya. Wala na kaming sample kasi it's quite big. Pero ayun, so it ranges from 650 to 850 pesos. So ayun lang, so those are the inclusions, entitlements, and merch for Pride 2026.